Hi everyone, my name is Miss Susie and I am so excited to share one of my favorite books with you. It's called Elmer and it's about an elephant. So this is the front of the book, this is the back, this is the spine. Feel your spine. Is it bumpy or smooth? Good. So on the front of the book, the author's name is David McKee. And he wrote Elmer, about the elephant named Elmer. Can you see him? Here we go. There once was a herd of elephants. Elephants young and elephants old. Elephants tall and short, fat and thin. All were different, but all were happy and almost all were the same color. All except Elmer. Elmer was not elephant color. He was patchwork. Elmer was yellow and orange and red and pink and purple and blue and green and black and white. It was Elmer who kept the other elephants happy. Their games and jokes were always his idea. If an elephant was laughing, the cause was usually Elmer. Do they look like they're having fun? I think so too. But Elmer himself wasn't happy. Whoever heard of a patchwork elephant, he thought, no wonder they laugh at me. One morning, just as the others were waking up, Elmer slipped away. He walked through the jungle and Elmer met other animals. Good morning, Elmer, they said. Look, there's a lion and a hippo and a zebra. After a long walk, Elmer found what he was looking for, a large bush covered with elephant-covered berries. Elmer caught hold of the bush and shook it until the berries fell to the ground. See the berries? They're elephant-colored. Then Elmer lay down and rolled over the berries this way and that way. He picked up bunches of berries and rubbed himself all over until he was covered in berry juice. When he had finished, there wasn't a sign of any yellow or orange or red or pink or purple or blue or green or black or white. Elmer looked like any other elephant. Where'd he go? Where's Elmer? On his way back through the jungle, Elmer passed the other animals. Good morning, elephant, they said. They don't recognize him. He's not patchwork anymore. When Elmer rejoined the herd, none of the other elephants even noticed him. Which one is he? I don't know where he went. As he stood there, Elmer felt that something was wrong, but what? He looked around, same old jungle, same old blue sky, same old rain clouds, same old elephants. I think this one is Elmer right here, because he's looking around. The other elephants were standing absolutely still, silent and serious. Elmer had never seen them so serious before. It made him want to laugh. Finally, he couldn't bear it any longer. He lifted his trunk and at the top of his voice, he shouted, "Boo!" The other elephants jumped in surprise. Elmer was helpless with laughter. Then the others began to laugh too. Too bad Elmer isn't here to share in this fun, they said, laughing harder and harder. And then the rain cloud burst. When the rain fell on Elmer, his patchwork started to show. Oh, Elmer, gasped an old elephant as Elmer was washed back to normal. You've played some good jokes, but this one has been the biggest laugh of all. What would we do without you? We must celebrate this day every year, said another. the day of Elmer's best joke. All of us elephants will decorate ourselves in his honor, said a third, and Elmer will decorate himself in elephant color. And one day each year, the elephants color themselves yellow and orange and red and pink and purple and blue and green and black and white. And you know what they do? They have a parade. If you happen to see an elephant on Elmer Day parade who is an ordinary elephant color, you will know that it must be Elmer. And when you finish a book, you always say the end. So Elmer is important because he keeps everybody laughing. And he's special because that's the way God made him. God made him patchwork color, and he made him special to be able to make his friends laugh. And so don't be afraid to be yourself, to be exactly the way God made you to be. Okay, so enjoy this story. We love you guys, and we hope that you are having a super fun day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.